Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very beautiful daisy granny square. You can use these squares for blanket, bag or cardigan. It is very easy to crochet, so if you are just new to crochet, it fits you well. So let us start it. These are the yarns and hook I used. First, I will make a slip knot. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through the loop on the hook. Pull tight. Then I will make 4 chains. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through the loop, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to join these 4 chains with a slip stitch into the first chain. So insert, pull up a loop, and pull through the loop on the hook. I now have a small circle here. To start my first round, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And these 3 chains will count as the first double crochet. I'm going to make 11 more double crochet into the circle. So yarn over and insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Next, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. To the end, I'm going to end the round with a slip stitch into the third of the 3 chains that I started with. Then I'm going to attach the white color. So I will cut my yarn and tie a knot. To attach the white yarn, I will just insert my hook to any stitch from the back side, pull my yarn through, and tie a knot. To start the second round, I'm just going to pull my yarn through here, and I will make 4 chains, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to make 2 treble crochet together. So I'm going to yarn over twice and insert my hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then I will yarn over twice again, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 3 loops on the hook. So I'm going to yarn over one last time and pull through all loops. Chain 2. into the next stage, I'm going to make 3 treble crochet together. So I'm going to yarn over twice and insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Once again. One last time, yarn over twice, insert, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then there are 4 loops on the hook. I will pull through all the loops. Then I will make chain 2. I have 2 petals in my daisy, and I will have 12 petals all the way around. So I'm going to crochet 3 treble crochet together 10 more times. Now I have 12 petals. I will make a slip stitch into the fourth of the chain 4 that we started with. Then I will cut the yarn to attach new color. Tie a knot. I will attach the green color to any chain space in the round. Pull through it, then tie a knot. To start the third round, I will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 chains will count as the first treble crochet of the round. I will make 2 more treble crochet into the same chain space. One treble crochet. Second treble crochet. And I will chain 1. Into the next chain space, I will make 3 double crochet. So, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and 2 more times. The first double crochet, the second double crochet, then chain 1. Into the next chain space, I will again make 3 double crochet. Then I will chain 1. I will make 4 corners in this circle, so I'm going to make the first one by making 3 treble crochet into the next chain space. The first treble crochet, the second treble, the third treble crochet, then chain 3, and 3 more trebles into the same chain space. One, two, and 3. I will make one side of my square, so I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the next 2 chain spaces and a chain in between. And again, make a corner. We will make 3 treble crochet into the next chain space. The first treble, the second treble, and the third treble. Then chain 3. Add 3 more trebles into the same chain space. Then chain 1. I'm going to crochet the rest in the same way. And at the end of this round, I have made the first part of my corner. I have 3 trebles. I will make 3 more trebles into the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 3. I will end the round with a slip stitch into the fourth of the chain 4. And I will cut my yarn. And tie a knot. This is how to crochet a very beautiful daisy granny square. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more free crochet tutorials or designs, remember to subscribe to my channel. I will also be happy to see your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.